Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can invest in energy companies using the Capital.com app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Capital.com app, then go to the search icon, and here you will find the energy companies right below the cybersecurity stocks. And when you tap on it, it is going to open up all the available energy company stocks on the app. National Oilwell, Kinder Morgan, Hess Corp, Halliburton, OEG, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, and all these different companies. And when you are interested in one, you just have to tap on one of them, let's say First Solar, and you can see the price changes of the stocks and you can change it obviously by day, 5 days, 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, all these periods. If you scroll down, you can see the price range, weekly, monthly, yearly, sellers, buyers in this period. If you scroll even below that, you can see the market infos, thicker, minimum size, currency, overnight fees, leverage, margin, dynamic spread, DFB, expiry, and type, obviously, all these informations. And below that, you can read latest news and about the company, so you can make your decision. And if you are interested, you can come back up here and you can tap on buy if you want to invest in this company, or if you already have shares, you can sell them by tapping on sell. It's very easy. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.